Hey everybody, you're not going to believe it, but I've got some good news again. I've told you how Donald Trump is using sketchy legal maneuvers to appoint sham prosecutors around the country, like the one who was appointed to indict James Comey. Well, two federal courts have now said that those appointments are illegal. This is a step in the right direction for restoring the rule of law in our country. I'm Liz Oyer, the former pardon attorney for the Department of Justice. All around the country, Donald Trump has been installing political loyalists as the top federal prosecutors. These are called U.S. attorneys. Most of them have no experience and no qualifications whatsoever other than their loyalty to Donald Trump. One of these sham prosecutors is Sigal Chattah, who Trump appointed as the U.S. attorney in Nevada. Chattah is an ultra-partisan conspiracy theorist with a long history of racist, inflammatory, and violent rhetoric. For example, in 2022, while she was running for statewide office, she said that her opponent should be, quote, hanging from an effing crane. Yes, her opponent was a black man, and yes, he went on to win the election. Chattah is so unqualified to serve as U.S. attorney that a group of over 100 current and former judges wrote a letter sounding the alarm. But Trump wanted her in place so that she could oversee a bogus investigation into debunked claims of voter fraud during the 2020 election. This week, a judge found that Trump's appointment of Chattah as U.S. attorney was illegal. Trump was trying to do an end run around the Senate, which has to approve his nominees for U.S. attorney, but the court said that Trump did not have the legal authority to do this. This is the second judge to disqualify one of Trump's U.S. attorneys. Another judge found that Trump's nominee in New Jersey, Alina, Habba, was not lawfully appointed to serve as U.S. attorney. Legal challenges to other Trump prosecutors have been filed in courts around the country. We'll likely see one filed soon in Virginia, where Trump appointed a sham U.S. attorney to prosecute James Comey. Of course, the Trump administration is appealing these decisions, and likely the Supreme Court will have to weigh in. I will keep you posted, but this is a step in the right direction for restoring the rule of law.